Welcome to another episode of That Crazy Triangle Guy. Just wanted to provide this quick update, and I'm driving now, so just forgive me here. CME Futures just opened up today, and that's what we're looking at in the center of the screen here. 64,810, spot is 64,326. So what is that? It's almost a $500 premium to spot after trading all day long at an even or at a discount as we had our dump, just like I called. I said this dump was incoming, and although it was only 2-3%, I don't think it's done. And the reason for this update, though, is that I do not believe that we will just go straight down. CME Futures opening this high right now kind of tells me they got something up their sleeve. And so we could see a pump. Let's just go to Bitcoin right now. Could pump up back up to the top of the daily Gaussian channel, I'd imagine. I don't think we'll go much higher than that. What kind of a move would that be? From where we're at now up to there. Wow. That's like a 7% move. So no, I don't think we would go much higher than that. Interesting. And that would put us outside this channel. So back up to our triangle. Yeah, would be what is that level? Could come back up to the top of this triangle, 66.5. All right, let's see how that comes into line with this chart here. 66.5. Could get some liquidations there. And that's the whole, well, yeah, we definitely would get these down here, but maybe even some of this up here. And that's the whole name of the game right now. Some volatility, and I've been saying this for weeks. Expect a lot of volatility in the next few weeks heading into June, and especially downward movement overall heading into the FOMC meeting next week and the CPI data release the following week. And look for possible big dumps on the weekends. Okay, so you can see here we had that dump right here. And where did we dump to? We dumped to the base of our triangle right here. I'll zoom out to a daily. I know that's too many lines for a lot of people here, but okay, let's get off of that. There we go. Sorry, I'm maneuvering around the city. So there's our Gaussian channel represented by those dashed lines, and that green horizontal line at the upper portion of the screen is the top of our ascending triangle, and the first green line represents a base to that triangle, and these other diagonal lines below indicate possible other bases of that triangle as we consolidate over the next probably weeks and months. Now, not saying we're not going to break out. We could very well. As soon as they're done dicking around over here, sucking up everybody and trying to flush all the weakness out of the market and whatever, we could very well come up here and pump up. So I'm not saying that's not going to happen. I wouldn't be surprised if after this FOMC meeting, I don't think we're going to do it before, but after the FOMC meeting possibly, and heading around the CPI data release. What day is that? That's Wednesday, May 15th. Yeah, likely by then we would see a pump, I'd imagine. Possibly up to 73,000, testing that level and maybe even coming back down once more. Who knows? But there's plenty of time to discuss that. And I don't know. I'm saying we could go all the way down to 60 right here. We could even go down to mid 50s. I'm thinking 60 is very reasonable to see a dump down to that level over the weekend, and then recover on Sunday in enough time for the ETFs to open without having a considerable dump themselves on their charts. You know what? I'll provide maybe a video that discusses that later on. I just wanted to get this brief update out. Are we pumping at all? Where are we at right now? So we're not really moving. Not really moving. And maybe it'll be at the end of the day. Might be when the Asian markets open that we see a pump incoming. Possibly people front running their ETFs that are going to be opening. Who knows? All right. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.